Welcome to a new video of parts loading. Well, let's see. Well, a vehicle has entered us. A Seat Leon TDI 1900 with 105 horses. With a problem, the vehicle was difficult to start. Sometimes, even it would stop him, and well, we have put the machine in the vehicle, and the problem that has come out, that we repair them later. The problem that has come out is the crankshaft position sensor. I have several videos made out there. Also with the symptoms that usually give. What is the problem with that sensor in this vehicle? Well, to access that sensor, notice that this sensor costs with taxes and everything, about €40, approximately. The problem is that to change it, the breakdown is around €300. Why? Look, that's the sensor, I said, with taxes, a new one costs €40 with those taxes. The problem is that, look, to access this sensor, you have to disassemble the gearbox, because this sensor is embedded there. Let's see if it looks good. This sensor would be inserted here. So, therefore, if you are going to buy this vehicle, as I say, a piece of advice that I'd tell everyone, when we change to these vehicles, for example, the dual mass, this is what we tell them. Even if the sensor is fine, we tell them, hey, change this part, that you are going to save a lot of money. Later if it fails, even if the part is fine, if you change the dual mass, take advantage of changing that dual mass and also put that new sensor, so you are going to remove it, as a very important expense, as I say, because that, with labor, plus taxes, because it will be about €300 to change this sensor soon. Sometimes it is you can remove the sensor without lowering the gearbox, but most of the time you have to remove the gearbox before it can be removed. The one on the camshaft of this vehicle is also easier to change, but that one also has a bit of a complication, because the camshaft sensor in these vehicles is tucked under the cover. That is, it would go, let's say, in the distribution. You would have to lift the cover that protects the distribution and access it. What happens is that there too, the work can take an hour and a bit. Here it takes a lot longer. Well, take this into account, as I said, and well, if this video has been useful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.